Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are all well, as explained in this video. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile household item with a wide range of practical uses. Here are 10 powerful benefits of baking soda. So watch the video from beginning to end and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start the video now. Number 1. Cleaning agent. Baking soda's abrasive nature makes it an effective non-toxic cleaner. It can scrub away stains and grime from various surfaces, including countertops, sinks, and stovetops. Number 2. Deodorizer. Baking soda can neutralize odors. You can place an open box in the refrigerator, sprinkle it in shoes, or use it as a carpet deodorizer to eliminate unwanted smells. Number 3. Toothpaste and mouthwash. Some toothpaste and mouthwash products contain baking soda due to its ability to help whiten teeth and neutralize bacteria that cause bad breath. Number 4. Heartburn Relief. Baking soda can be used as an antacid to relieve heartburn and indigestion. However, it should be used sparingly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Number 5. Natural exfoliant. It can be added to skincare routines as a gentle exfoliant to remove dead skin cells and leave your skin feeling smooth. Number 6. Fire extinguisher. In emergencies, baking soda can be used as a fire extinguisher for small grease fires, as it can smother the flames. Number 7. Insect bites and stings. A paste made from baking soda and water can help alleviate itching and discomfort from insect bites and stings. Number 8. Sunburn Relief. Adding baking soda to a cool bath can provide relief from sunburn by soothing the skin and reducing inflammation. Number 9. Cooking aid. Baking soda as a leavening agent in baking, helping dough and batter to rise. It can also be used to soften beans during cooking and reduce acidity in tomato-based dishes. Number 10. Cleaning produce. You can use a baking soda and water mixture to clean fruits and vegetables to remove pesticides and dirt. Remember that while baking soda has numerous benefits, it's important to use it with caution, as it can be abrasive and should not be ingested in large quantities without medical guidance. Always conduct a patch test when using it on your skin and be mindful of any allergic reactions or adverse effects.